Talking about the searching, that is the module 10. So searching a pattern in a file. Okay, we go to this cd. Here there is a call slash what slash log. Okay, this is a one directory, just understand that. Here you can see we have, suppose take one log. Suppose this is a log. Let's understand. I wanted to see the content of this file. So I will type cat dnf.log, and there is a lot of information. Okay, let's look into this. What we do, suppose I wanted to see all of the files containing this remote word. Okay, I wanted to see only those lines where this remote word is there, and in general if there is any error or anything, those type of files we basically wanted to check it over here. So what we do, we type, right, grep, just clear the screen, grep, I wanted to use the word remote and dnf.log, and if I do hit enter, here you can see out of all those files, like out of all those 100, 200, 500 lines, I am only getting those lines where this remote is there. Let's check if there is any error message is also there. Okay, there is some error message also. So you can easily get to know about the error message with the help of grep command. So grep command basically help you to find a specific pattern with the help of one keyword, right? So in this case, I'm filtering out the entire output with the help of error command, with the help of grep command of this keyword error or the remote, right? So this is the syntax. First you have to write grep, then the word through which you wanted to filter it out the entire output, then the file name. So with the help of grep command, you can easily search for a pattern in a file. Now, if you wanted to locate a file, what you can do, suppose this is a file dnf.log. I don't know. I just go to this root directory where everything will start. Okay, I will type locate and the file name. So if I do hit enter, okay, locate command is not there. We have to install the locate command. Let's see if it works. Okay, it worked. Okay, clear the screen. I will type locate and that file name. Hit enter. Okay, locate is not working, but okay, that is fine. But locate command will help you to find the location of a file. If we type locate, okay, locate cannot start, no such, okay, there is some issue with the locate because this is not installed, we install it manually. That's because of that it is not working. Otherwise locate command will help you to provide the information. Other than that, your find command is also help you there, right? So we have already seen how you can use the find command, and if hit enter, here you can easily see /var/log dnf.log is there. So if locate is not working, you can use the find command to find any of the file. So I hope this searching part is clear now.